In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to listen to music offline on eSound. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This works for both Android and iPhone. All you need to do is ensure that you have the latest version available of eSound. So open up the Play Store or the App Store and make sure you don't have any pending updates, or else you won't be able to download songs offline. Once you ensure that you don't have any pending updates, just open up the app, sign into your account as usual. Find the playlist, song, or artist that you want to listen to, and choose a song that you want to download and listen offline. As you can see, next to each song I have these two dots, and when I click it, it opens up this menu. You can then select the download offline button that should be at the top. Some people report that they don't see this button. If you don't see it, try clicking on add to favorites or save with a little heart icon next to it. But if you are running the latest version available, you should see this download offline button. As soon as you click it, it's gonna start downloading, and if you turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data, you will be able to listen to it by going to your library into your saved songs, as you can see here. I don't have internet, but I can still play the song because I downloaded it offline. I hope I was able to help you on how to listen to music offline on eSound. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.